Donald Trump is accused of rape and is on trial. On Tuesday, Donald Trump began his trial for allegedly raping a writer named Jean Carroll in a department store dressing room during the mid-1990s, according to a civil lawsuit. In the case of the former Elle magazine advice columnist, Carroll is also alleging Trump of defamation. Jury selection has started in federal court in Manhattan. Carroll, 79, claims that Trump, 76, raped her. In a post on his Truth Social site from October 2022, he termed her assertion a hoax and complete scam. She was not my type, according to Trump, who also claimed she fabricated up the incident to promote her biography. 1 to 2 weeks are predicted for the trial. As witnesses testify about his alleged sexual misbehavior, all of which he denies, it is one of a number of lawsuits and investigations facing Trump, the Republican frontrunner in the 2024 presidential election. President Joe Biden, a Democrat, said he will run for re-election on the same day the trial started. Trump was not present at the trial because he was exempt from attendance requirements, and according to his attorneys, he is not likely to give a defense witness statement. Trump will not be called as a witness by Carroll's attorneys either. For what she describes as severe anguish and suffering, long-lasting psychological trauma, and violation of privacy, Carroll is requesting unspecified damages. U.S. District Judge Lewis Kaplan urged the attorneys for Trump and Carroll to caution their clients and witnesses against saying anything that could incite violence or civil unrest prior to the jury members being questioned. To protect them from potential intimidation by Trump fans, Kaplan is keeping the jurors' identities a secret from both the public and the lawyers. He advised potential jurors to avoid chatting to one another under their true identities. He told them, "You can be John for a few days if you're normally a Bill and you're chosen for the jury or even before." Since Carroll first accused him of rape in June 2019, Trump has constantly attacked her personally and called her names, including once calling her mentally insane. Carroll claimed that in late 1995 or early 1996, she met Trump at the Bergdorf Goodman store. She claimed Trump acknowledged her, referring to her as that advice lady, and asked for assistance in purchasing a present for another woman. Carroll claimed that Trump then maneuvered her into a dressing room, pushed her up against a wall, took down her tights, and then penetrated her. After 2 to 3 minutes, she claimed to have gained freedom. Carroll's lack of calling the police, her silence in the media for more than 2 decades, and her inability to recall the day or even the month of the alleged attack may be used by Trump's attorneys to cast doubt on Carroll's veracity. Carroll claims that the #MeToo movement encouraged her to speak forward. Additionally, the infamous Access Hollywood tape from 2005, on which Trump made obscene, graphic remarks about women, is anticipated to be shown for the jury. Alvin Bragg, the Manhattan District Attorney, is accused of paying a porn star hush money, among other legal issues that Trump is dealing with. 3 minutes walk from the trial on Tuesday, Trump entered a not guilty plea to those charges on April 4 in a New York State courthouse. Letitia James, the Attorney General of New York, has filed civil fraud charges against the former president against his own corporation. In addition, there are criminal investigations into Trump's involvement in the attack on the U.S. Capitol on January 6, 2021, as well as investigations into his involvement in the tampering of the Georgia 2020 presidential election and the sensitive government documents found at his Mar-a-Lago home. Trump has refuted wrongdoing in each of these situations. Trump initially refuted Carroll's accusation of rape in June 2019, while he was still in office, and she is now suing him for defamation. The Kaplan hearing in the case is still ongoing.